Hi folks, here we are again in Brisbane at the gorgeous South Bank, the Riverside apartments, looking across towards the city on this absolutely glorious day. I just want to take you for a city cat ride again this afternoon. We're going to a restaurant in South Bank called the Jetty, and then on the city cat we're going to go from South Bank up to the Riverside, and from Riverside floating pontoon we are going to stroll along the riverbank up to where the Felons micro-brewery is. There's an amazing eatery area. I'd like to show you this area, it's fantastic. South Bank is one of our favourite areas in Brisbane. It's just beautiful along South Bank. I have a previous vlog on tells you more about South Bank. This one is more to do with heading up to Riverside. This amazing view comes from the 11th floor at the Riverside apartment complex. It's just a fantastic view of the city. Yep, there's one in every crowd. So we had a gorgeous meal here at the Jetty. We're finished having our meal now. We're heading down to the South Bank to the quay where the City Cat leaves from here at South Bank. South Bank is an amazing area for families and kids. Has this amazing aquatic area. It's really terrific for young children. Also has all other facilities here. It's just an awesome area. There is a huge variety of international cuisine and all sorts of shopping here in South Bank. It is a fantastic area to stroll around and just basically shop and eat. If you weren't staying in a hotel, there is also an underground car park and you can get here by train. The pool area is closed at night time. There is lifeguards on duty during the day, but there are none here at night time, so the pool is closed. Just heading from South Bank Quay. We're only going to do downriver today. You can go from here. You can also go up the river as part of the City Cat journey. You can go down the river and then go back up the river all in one complete circuit. We're only going to do the downriver again today towards the city. We're only going a short way downriver today. The complete circuit takes about 1 hour. Looking up to the amazing new Star Casino. It's an amazing building. On the top floor it has a glass floor that you can look down through it. This City Cat ride is one of my favourite trips of night time in Brisbane. It's very cheap and it's just awesome to get out on the river at night. I believe by the City Cat timetable that it does not run all night. So if you're going up the river or down the river to a destination, make sure you come back early enough in the night, otherwise you'll have to pay for a taxi fare or something to get back. This is one of the newest architectural sites on the Brisbane River. This is the Kangaroo Point Green Bridge, which opened recently, that goes across from the city area, QUT and the Botanical Gardens to Kangaroo Point. It is only a pedestrian bridge. It's a magnificent bridge as only for pedestrian use. Brisbane City is a beautiful cityscape at night, just gorgeous. There is supposed to be a restaurant on this bridge in the centre. I don't know whether it is opened yet or if it's still going to happen. We're coming up to the Riverside Quay, which is where we're going to hop off today, and we're going to walk up underneath the story bridge that you can see there, up to the Felons Brewery area where the eateries are. It's just a beautiful walk and it's a beautiful area. One of the icons of Brisbane is the Story Bridge. It is a spectacular bridge on the landscape. There is some talk about pulling this bridge down, which would be a total shame. It is an iconic piece of history, and I truly hope that this never happens. They have an amazing fireworks event here every year called River Fire. It's all from the top of the bridges and the high rises and off the Brisbane River. It's a spectacular event I haven't been to for many years. We've just arrived in this amazing eatery area with the restaurants like Stanley and Felons Micro-Brewing. It's just a great place to sit back, relax, kick back and have a drink and a nice meal with friends and family and enjoy the views of the Brisbane River. I'll just let it wander through now and let you have a look around the area. as there are so many great restaurants and such amazing things to see. We've arrived at the start of Felons micro-brewery. It's an exceptional area here. Great place to try out different boutique beers if you enjoy a beer. Hello. Hello from Felons Brewing Company, Brisbane City. This has to be one of the most unique areas of Felons Brewery. This terraced beanbag area is just awesome. Straight ahead from here you can see the quay here, which you can catch the City Cat back down past Riverside and back down to the South Bank. Check out online for all the great restaurants that are located in this area. If you enjoy our vlogs, please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. It helps our channel grow, and thank you so much for your support. Pulling up to Riverside Quay on the way back to South Bank. These floating quays, the pontoons for the City Cat, are just amazing. Most of them are all made from stainless steel and timber. They're just awesome. Our next vlog will be on a area called Rainbow Beach in southeast Queensland. In the near future we should be doing a vlog on different areas in New Zealand, and then we will be doing another trip to Europe, and there will be some more cruises. I will let you know later where they are, and then there will be another trip to Asia with a cruise through Asia and to Japan. So I'll let you know more of that as time goes by. It really is one of the most beautiful pedestrian bridges that I've ever seen. Again, it is called the Kangaroo Point Green Bridge. Looking up the Brisbane River towards South Bank, looking back at the Star Casino, the Neville Bonner pedestrian bridge, the beautiful green and red also, and on South Bank the Wheel of Brisbane. That's just an absolutely gorgeous area. Leaving from the QUT quay, as you can see, it's just beautiful stainless steel and timber. This is the access point to get to the university, the Queensland University of Technology. You can also access the inner city Botanical Gardens from this point. Well, we're pulling up to the South Bank Quay. The City Cap will continue on from here and head up the river, and then I'll do the circuit back around again. Well, we're going to spend a little bit more time in South Bank, and we're going to head back up to our hotel room. It's just a beautiful view from there, as you'll see. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog on Brisbane's river. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you with our next vlog. If you would like any information on the areas we have been, please don't hesitate to contact us. Bye.